Ban ai ka jing shakri na ka benta ki pai ba ha ka lit kawan, uway ni kiri rang ba ka jala u ba don bok lang doling, ula plat pai ba ya ka way ka service ka bala tip kum ka professional designated driver services Shillong, ban ni shaw lit bo ya kinu kinu ki brio ki badon kam ban poi shi ki jaka ba ki thmu. Ya kani ka service la plat pai ba do ba el hek menteri ka sorkar jala ha ka pratarik unai lur ha Shillong Press Club. Habakren kani kasngi uba don bok u promoter proprietor but chief operation jong kate ka service ulai thu baka jing thmu jong u habawan ra ekani ka professional designated driver services Shillong kade ban plat ki passengers ne ki jing ma jing min saw namar hakini kisngi labun palat ki driver ki bangop ha ka bam kadi bu at palat pot kenang ban nait na kanu kanu ki jing ma lawan ra da kani ka service ban chingan ki nonglet nang wan. Kini ki driver ki kloi ban shakri arpusau kenta hakador ka bah nrius pa tingka na ka benta pra kilometer. Kinu ki badon kam ye ka service jong kini ki driver ki lak ban phone show new number kendai ar lai sau iwe san sau iwe.
For being here to share this moment with me. I'm really happy for what you said for agreeing to and launch my project without even taking the time to ask me what it was about. Well, thank you so much again. It was very short notice. It was yesterday itself that we got in touch with Peit and kindly consented to grace the occasion and to launch this project. So a word on this project, what it is. The entity is designated driver Shillong. And as Bhavin has stated, and as far as I know also, this is the first of its kind here in Shillong at least. I don't know about other places beyond Shillong, but here in Shillong is the first of its kind. I provide drivers. I'm not an aggregator. I am just a service provider, a facilitator you can say. I provide drivers for people who have an urgent need of a standing driver. Like I can cite a few examples. Like someone leaves home in a car and goes for shopping, goes to maybe Police Bazaar, parks the car, goes to shopping, and takes a fall, hurts the leg, and can't continue driving. So what would he do in that event? Call some friends, call some relatives who would be free to come over and help out. That would take a little time, and maybe someone who might be free might not be a professional driver. So I am the option. Give me a call. I will send a driver, a professional, vetted driver, and may I add that I have spoken with the SP of these cashiers, and he has consented in spirit that all my drivers, including myself also, would be verified by the police. That is, we'll be undergoing the process of police verification. So whoever wants to use, whoever needs to use our service, can do so, knowing fully well that all of us will be vetted by the police. So again, give me a call, I will send a driver across to get you out of any situation where you would not be stuck due to anything that might happen that would make you unable to continue driving. So that's one example. Another example is like I've seen it. Someone, a new driver, gets into a situation, maybe a slight accident, but then panics, can't continue to drive anymore, and maybe staying very far away from town. But it will take a long time to settle down and get someone to come over and get the vehicle go back home. So you can give me a call and send a driver across to get that person and the vehicle safely to their destination. Getting the driver to the spot and picking the driver up from the destination, that's my problem. It's not the client's problem. And again, maybe lots of lady drivers nowadays. So in case some lady driver is pregnant and goes into we call Pyrthei experience labor pains. So instead of risking, instead of taking any risk, let's stick with, give me a call and get a driver across. Whether you want to go to the hospital or want to go home, that will be done. And the need of the hour, this is more critical need I see is drunk driving at night. So many people do that. That way, I am also guilty of a few indiscretions in my time. For them, like driving after getting drunk or intoxicated is never a good thing. But all this time we've heard so many accidents happening because of people getting drunk, but necessarily have to drive to get home. So they take chances and drive themselves home, putting the vehicle, putting other people also at risk. So this is an option. This is the option. Like wherever you may be, whatever you may be doing, if you do attempt to have one shot too many, don't take chances. Like if you take if you meet an accident, then like you have to pay for your own vehicle, another person's vehicle, maybe pay for any injuries sustained by yourself or some other people. Do not take the risk. Give me a call and get a professional, vetted driver to you, and he will see you safely home. It is my problem to pick him up again after he's delivered you to your home. Okay, then this is what I provide: professional, designated driver service.
Also, is Parliament is a good friend of mine and also a brother to me, and also I like to thank him for inviting me as a chief guest for this program today. I'd like to thank DD, who has created a very innovative idea for designated driver in Shillong. It is first of its kind that is going to happen in our city. So the services today is a big industry. Everybody are looking for any kind of services. If we talk about this kind of services, the driver, we have seen that we are facing a lot of congestions in Shillong, and we have no parking space, number one. Those are the self-driving individual driver. If they go with a family, when they go with the friends, when they will park the vehicle, because there is no specific identified parking space in and around the city. It's a very, very difficult, but this idea, I'm telling you, going to help tremendously, is going to help to everyone. This kind of services. There's a unique idea, I'd like to tell you. Today, if we talk about, for example, so many people are going out for the party, they're going out for dinner, they're going out for anniversary, they're going out for birthday, so many, and so on and so forth. Many they want to go without driving their own vehicle, because we don't know the night when they are coming back. There's so many traffic on the way. So they want to be free. If they have this kind of facilities, this kind of services, they just call what here by unfortunately I didn't see any free call numbers where they can call you by the number.
Yeah, there is a number specific.
You have to give, right? Because launching today, we have to see also that today only we are launching this very, very designated driver Shillong, very innovative scheme with complete call free number, free call numbers. If you have that, you can give me that I can announce also at the same time.
It's not a toll-free number. It's a number.
Launch also at the same time.
Right.
So this kind of services which I told you regarding the people are going for different program, especially at the night time they don't want to go for driving. They want to be free when they take with a family for any anniversary party out within the Shillong or outside the Shillong. They want to be free by themselves. They will just go sit in the car. Driver is already there, designated driver, which is identified and secured with the confirmations of the administration, the confirmation of the police. Everybody has to be secure. The driver has to be secure, the car has to be secure, those who are going to take the car also has to be secure. So this is, I'm telling you, the services is one of the big industries today. It's creating employment. I'm thank you to you, Madam. You are creating innovative, not only innovative ideas, but you are creating employment for so many unemployment drivers, those who are around the city. There is no employment for them. I am sitting in the my office at home, in the office of secretariat. I've seen so many people are coming for job. There is very, very difficult to give job for everybody. No government can give job to anybody. We need this kind of people. You need this kind of our friend mother-in-law to creating the innovative idea to create more job, more facilities to more that people can at least get their security. So therefore today we are very happy to launch this designated driver. In Shillong will be benefit immensely will be benefit for all the people, not only those who are residing in Shillong, but also for the people not in Shillong. They can call anytime. They can call in this number 923341541. This is the number they can call anytime. For this kind of services will be provided to all who are required and those who are needed. So thank you very much. Today I am very happy. I am in the Shillong Press Club where I am briefing for beautiful innovative projects which I really like it. But I am not going here to give any briefing of other apart of this program. Thank you very much.
Thank you.